girls' education is where I'll start. That's a global priority for the UK's Department for International Development. For me as well. I have 3 teenage daughters, so this is a matter of importance in my house as well. There's very strong evidence that girls' education is one of the best investments for breaking the cycle of poverty. Educating girls reduces child mortality, reduces early marriage and pregnancy, and it increases maternal health as well as earnings potential. And the benefits of education are written on the faces of the young ladies here this morning. I've just had a really nice conversation with Noma and Navy about their bicycles. To date, the Zimbabwe Girls Secondary Education Programme, which CanFed implements, has supported over 40,300 girls and 900 boys. 40,300 girls. And when you think, what does each of one of those learners represent? And the difference, one of those now will go on to have a better life, and then all of their children and their wider family will benefit. So although we can save 40,000 girls, many, probably hundreds of thousands more Zimbabweans benefiting from each of those